हेलो स्टूडेंट, पावर एंड एक्सपोनेंट्स टॉपिक पर आपके लिए काफ़ी टाइम बाद मैं वीडियो लेकर आया हूं। तो आप प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को पूरा देखेंगे और कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होगी तो आप उसको शेयर करेंगे और बताएंगे, फिर मैं आपको उसको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सॉल्व करा दूंगा। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 को देखते हैं। 51 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 51, a टू द पावर 2x plus 2 equal 1. Find the value of x. Given a to the power 2x plus 2 equal 1, then find the value of x. We can write this step a to the power 2x plus 2 equal a to the power 0. If any number power is 0, the value equal 1, then we can write 1 equal a to the power 0. Now compare of power 2x plus 2 equal 0. 2 is transforming right side, equal minus 2, then x equal minus 2 upon 2, value of x equal minus 1. This is clear. Value of x equal minus 1. Question number 52. Question number 52. Given value of a equal to root 3 by 2. Then find the value of root 1 plus a plus root 1 minus a. Root 1 plus a plus root 1 minus a. We want to find the value of root 1 plus a, root 1 minus a. Then we can find out the square of this number via formula of a plus b whole square equal a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then we can open this step 1 plus a, 1 minus a plus 2 root 1 minus a square, 1 minus a square. This step and this step is cancel out. Then root 1 plus a root 1 minus a whole square equal 2 plus 2 root 1 minus a square. Putting the value of a in this place, then we can write 2 plus 2 root 1 minus root 3 by 2 square means 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 2 plus 2 root 2 plus 2, 4 multiplied by this 1, then 4 minus 3 root 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel out, equal 3. Square root a plus 1 plus a plus root 1 माइनस ए होल स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर कैंसिल आउट करेंगे इधर से तो उस पर रूट आ जाएगा. तो देन वी कैन राइट दिस स्टेप रूट एंड रूट 1 प्लस 1 माइनस ए इक्वल रूट 3. तो वैल्यू ऑफ रूट 1 प्लस ए प्लस रूट 1 माइनस ए इक्वल माइनस रूट 3. क्लियर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 53. क्वेश्चन नंबर 53. गिवन p इक्वल 124. गिवन p इक्वल 124. p इक्वल 124. p equal 124. We can write this step. We can write this step p cube plus 3p square plus 3p plus 1. Now power is 3, pq 1q 3ab a plus b. We can write this step this type: pq plus 1q plus 3p 3ab bracket a plus b. The formula of aq plus bq plus 3ab bracket a plus b. Then we can write this step: p plus 1 whole cube. This and this cancel out, then p plus 1. Putting the value of p, 124 plus 1 equal to 125. Question number 53, answer equal 125. Now question number 54. Question number 54. Question number 54. P upon q to the power n minus 1 equal q upon p to the power n minus 3. P upon q to the power n minus 1. We change q upon p in format of p upon q. Then we can write negative sign of power. Compare y power. Base are equal. Because base are equal, then we can compare the power. N minus 1 equal minus n minus 3. Multiply by minus n plus 3 minus n plus n equal 3 plus 1. 2n equal to 4, then n equal to 4 by 2, then n equal to. Now question number 55. Question number 55. Question number 55. A to the power minus 1. A to the power minus 1 divided by a minus 1. We can write this step by 1 upon a minus 1, a minus 1, 1 minus a upon a equal a minus 1. 1 minus a upon a, 1 upon a minus 1. 1 minus a minus can be common. We can take minus common in this step. Then we can write a minus 1. This step can be written as a minus 1. Now 1 upon a minus 1. This and this cancel out. Then answer minus 1 upon a. Minus 1 upon a. Clear? Next question 56. Next question 56. 6 root 27 to the power minus 2 by 3 and 8 to the power minus 2 by 3. Now 6 root 3 to the power 3 minus 2 by 3. 2 to the power 3 minus 2 by 3. 3 and 3 cancel out, 3 and 3 cancel out. 6. 3 to the power minus 2. 2 to the power minus 2. 6. 1 upon 3 to the power 2, 1 upon 2 to the power 2. Then 6. 2 to the power 2 equal 4. 3 to the power 2 equal 9. This step is clear. Have you any problem in this step? This is clear. We can write minus 2 by 3. 3 cancel out. 3 and 3 are cancel out. Then 1 upon 3 to the power 2. 2 to the power 3 and 3 cancel out. Now 4 into 9. 4 into 9. 6. 2 into 3. 6 2 into 3. Clear beta? 6 2 into 3. And root 13. Root 13. 6 and 6 cancel out. Then answer will be root 13. Answer will be root 13. आप इसको नोट कर लें. Answer will be root 13. This question is clear without. Next question. Question number 57. Question number 57. एक मिनट. Question number 57. Two to the power x minus 1 plus 2 to the power x plus 1 equal 320. We can write this step 2 to the power x and 2 to the power minus 1. 2 to the power x and 2 to the power 1 equal to 320. We can take common 2 to the power x. Now we can write 2 to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 2 320. 2 to the power x equal to 2 2 ja 4. 4 plus 1 5 by 2 equal to 320. 2 to the power x equal 320 into 2 upon 5. 2 to the power x equal to 5 6 ja and 5 4 ja. Clear? We can write 2 to the power 6. We can write 2 to the power 6 this step and 2 to the power 1. Now 2 to the power x equal to 2 to the power 7. Then x equal, compare of power, then value of x equal to. Value of x equal to. If this question comes MCQ, then given a value of x equal to 3, x equal to 2, x equal 5 and x equal 1. We will put the value of x 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 minus 1. 2 to the power 3 minus 1 and 2 to the power 3 plus 1. You will find the value of this and this and sum these steps, then we will not get 320. Now we will put the value of 2, then we get, then 2 to the power 7, value of x equal to 7. Then we cannot get x equal to 2, we cannot get the value of 320. Then we will put the value of 7. Definitely we got 320. Then value of x equal to 7 is the right. Clear now? Next question. 58. 58 question. Question number 58. रूट 10 प्लस पावर 3 इक्वल 4. Squaring both side. 10 plus root x to the power 3 equal to 16. 3 root x equal to 16 minus 10. 3 root x equal to 6. Cube both side. Then value of x equal to 6 to the power 3. X equal to 216. Clear now? Second last. 59 question. 2 to the power n plus 4 minus 2 into 2 to the power n, 2 into 2 to the power n plus 3 plus 2 to the power minus 3. क्लियर? आप लोगों को दिखाई दे रहा है कि नहीं? 1 मिनट. क्लियर हो रहा है? नाउ वी कैन टेक कॉमन 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 4 minus 2. We can take common 2 to the power n. Then this step 2 into 2 to the power 3. Now 1 upon 2 to the power 3. This and this cancel out. 2 to the power 4 means 16. 2 to the power 4. 2 common. We can take 2 also common. 2 to the power 3 minus 1. 2 into 2 to the power 3. This step and this step is cancel out. Clear beta? 2 to the power 3 means 8. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 7. 7 upon 8 and 1 upon 8. 8 upon 8 cancel out and answer will be 1. Clear? Next question. This question we will solve by MCQ method. You will be given the value of P and Q. P and Q are given. P and Q value are given 1 2. 2 1, 3 2 and 2 3. 2 to the power p plus 3 to the power q equals 17 and 2 to the power p plus 2 3 to the power q plus 1 equal 5. If we put this value p and this value is q, p and q, we will not get 17 by this. We will not get 17 by this value, and 2 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 2, we will get 17. 3 to the power 2 put in this place and q to the power q equal to 2 put in this place. We check out, we will get 5, and definitely we will get 5. We can say value of p and q 3 and 2. Now we can solve this question by detail method. Let 2 to the power p equal x and 3 to the power q equal y. Now this step we can write x plus y equals 17 equation first. Now this step 2 to the power p, 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power q, 3 to the power 1 equal 5. Now 2 to the power 2 means 4. 4 into 2 to the power p. Now 3 to the power 1. 3 into 3 to the power q equal 5. 2 to the power p equal x. Then 4x minus 3y equal 5, equation second. B will solve equation first and second. Multiply 3 in equation first. Multiply 3 both side in equation 1. 3x minus 3y plus 3y equal to 51. Clear? Add this and this, cancel out. 7x equal to 56. 7 8 ja 56. Clear? Then x equal 8. X equal 8. Value put x in equation first. Then y equal 9. Now 2 to the power p equal 8. 2 to the power p equal 2 to the power 3. Then p equal 3. Now 3 to the power q equal to 9. 3 to the power q equal to 3 to the power 2. Compare y power q equal to. Then we will get the value p and q by detail method. If this question comes in MCQ, we will find the putting the value of p and q in these equation. If p and q value satisfy these equation, then this will be the answer. Clear now? Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.